Hi everyone, this is Costa Bitar and welcome to another video of our ARIS Prism Challenges and Solutions video series, where today we're going to continue the topic that we started last time about backing up our project data. Today we're going to explore how to restore this data again. So backing up a project or hundreds of projects at the same time was a crucial activity to do before performing critical tasks. It's more important really to get back this data, to restore it back. So let me share my screen and let's get started. So in the last video, like I said, we discussed how crucial it was to back up the project data before performing critical activities that have to do with budget data, with changes, with progress, with actuals, and so on. One of the main purposes we did that was, hey, if I made a mistake, I want to go back to that earlier state, right? If it's ever required, or not even that. Maybe I want to view my data how it was back in January last year for any reason, if I want to run a comparison report. So similar to backing up a project or hundreds of projects, we need a way to restore this project data back, right? Whether it's one or hundreds project again in one go. So how do we do that? Let's explore. So similar to the archiving process, I'm in a project. I've selected my project menu. And just next to the archive, there's a restore button. So all I have to do is click on it and select the state of the project which I want to restore. But before I do that, let's do something. Let us delete one of the control accounts from this project, just for the fun of it, and then see how it's going to be restored back. So I'm going to restore this first one, Area 1 Design Civil Package XA. Okay, civ.01. Let's delete it. Even though I got this warning, I didn't care and I still deleted it. Okay, right, so it's not there anymore. Now let us explore how to restore. So project, restore, and I see here I have two different archives I've taken in the past, one on 4 January, one on 6. I'm going to take back the one that I did earlier today. And I'm going to restore it. That's it. You just click on restore. And everything in this project from all modules will come back. So whether it's cost data, change data, schedule, you name it, it's all back. And let's see if my control account, the civ.01 is back. You bet it is. It is back. So my work is back, even though I've done that mistake. That's why it's important to take archives as often as possible during the project, during closing the period. And if I wanted to restore multiple projects at the same time, again, just like how we went last time to enterprise global processes and we archived, this time we're going to restore project data. We select what do we want to restore. Here I can see those 5 projects that I have. I have versions of them on 6th January. I have also on 4th. Let's select the ones that I've done earlier today. It'll ask you if you want to add them all. And just hit OK. Now restoring may take a bit longer than archiving, but that's okay. We're talking about 5 projects that we're restoring back to their earlier state. Process started. Still talking about less than a minute. Finished the first one. And the process will continue until it finishes all 5 projects. So those projects are returning back to the exact same state when we took these backups. 2, 3 is done. And now we're starting with project 4. And finally, the last project. And that was it. All our 5 projects got restored back to the earlier state. We got a notice from the system telling us it was successful. It's good to know. Encouraging message. So basically, the solution really was the ability to restore project data at any given time. We're going back for any reason. Like I said, we may want to go back to an earlier state where we wanted to see data from a certain period in the past. Or if we made a mistake, we took the backup, we want to go back to that. Or if any change happened, again, we want to undo something that happened. It's fine. This gives you this ability, whether it's for one project or multiple projects like we've seen. You can do this at the same time for multiple projects. And therefore, again, reinstate a sense of confidence that not only are you able to back up your work, obviously you need to restore that data. Otherwise, there's no point really for the backup, right? And that was it. I hope you found this useful. Again, if any questions, you know the website, irisprism.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.